Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Monique Nicole. If this is your first time tuning in, and make sure you press that subscribe button. Also make sure you click that bell for that notification link, especially because you don't want to miss anything, because this month of October I'm doing another 31 days of Halloween slay. And no, it's not just about hair reviews, it's about makeup, it's about costumes, it's everything to help you for the month of October to get ready for Halloween. So today I am bringing you a slay from the Tiana collection. So this video was sponsored by them, and I wanted to check out the Natural Me like blowout texture hair, because I just need sometimes a wig that mimics my 4C hair, but I don't want it too long. Sometimes I just want it to look, you know, like a natural, like a nice easy slay without putting too much effort. So with this wig right here, I had got it in the FF1B dark cherry, and this is in the style Tiana. So this is how she looks. She is synthetic. She is a middle part wig, and she is curling iron safe up to 360 degrees. So I'm about to go ahead, I'm about to show y'all the inside of this cap construction, that way y'all know what it is all about. Now I'm not going to do too much effort with this because I love an easy slay, and I don't like gel down like baby hairs and all that, but y'all already know. So here is the parting space. Great parting space. You don't need to pluck it unless it's your preference. It does come with combs. It has one on the right, one on the left, one in the back with two adjustable straps. Okay, so I'm about to go ahead and I'm about to throw this on, but I want y'all to check out the cherry color. So this is the dark cherry. It's more heavily in the front. Then it has like this like 1B99J in the back, and then it has some like undertones of this dark cherry. To put it on, I don't know how y'all put y'all wigs on, but this is how I put my wigs on. Now I have a wig grip on. This wig, I can already tell you, you will not need any adhesive, just a wig grip. And let me shift it. It's cute so far. Let me go ahead and get the parting together. So I am going to take my L'Oreal True Match in the color C7, and I'm just going to put some in the part. Probably wasn't the best application, but y'all get the drift, right? And then I'm going to put some a little bit right up in here, and put some right up in there, and we good to go. Alright, so this is the wig. Let me go ahead and brush it out, because y'all like, girl, you need to brush it out. What do you mean? Like, this is the wig. My paddle brush. Haven't received any shedding, so that's good. Doesn't tangle. It's not stiff. The texture feels beautiful. To me, it does. And let's get this together. All right, y'all, so this is Tiana, and I'm not going to do too much, because this is literally how I put on my wigs, especially like if I have to go to work, if I'm going out to a friend's house or something. Not unless I'm like going to a club or like a bar, or you know, a male friend's house. You know, you gotta make sure this baby's secure. Then I will put some more like adhesive, you know, into it. It does come with baby hairs. As y'all know, I just like to keep them wispy. You could cut off more lace if you want. You could tint it. You can either color it black to blend in more. I just always put a little hair behind my ears like this, just to keep the flaps down, the side flaps. Right. And then I'm like, I'm good to go. So yeah, this is Tiana. So let me get into it. This hair is great fall weather appropriate hair. This color is gorgeous. Now I did a gamble on picking this color. I was gonna do like a 1B2, you know, keep it real simple. Maybe get something with a little cute little bronze brown highlight, but I was like, no, let me get the dark cherry. Reasons why, because fall weather is approaching and I know this color is going to pop when I start wearing my leopards, when I start wearing my olive greens, my mustard yellows, my sweaters, the creams. You already know, once we start getting into those type of colors, this color is definitely going to pop and get my clothing. Now, this is a big poofy in the front, so maybe it's up to you. You can probably cut it and create some, you know, shorter layers. That way it won't seem as heavy and it also won't seem as puffy, and that way it won't round out your face as much. Now the parting is gorgeous. The texture does have a 4C texture. The color is amazing. Now, if I was to continuously wear this, I would probably color in my eyebrows to match this hair color. That way it could just pop a little bit more. It does curl under with this bump right here. It just reminds me of a natural blowout, and you know, that was their target, and I must say they definitely nailed it. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to show you a quick 360. So this is how it looks in the front. This is how it looks on the left side. This is how it looks in the back. Nice. And this is how it looks on the right side. Now in the back, I know it's like straight down with like a bump under. I think I would have appreciated this wig a little bit more if it had like a layered effect. Maybe not like 3 layers, but if it just had like a layer here and then this was like the bottom layer, that way it can just give it more of that fullness all the way around. But that's just my preference. It's still a gorgeous wig. It's definitely cute for the fall / winter time, especially if you're looking to get it in a natural color. It is big head friendly. It is secure, and it is an easy slay. All I did was cut the lace because it just comes with a Swiss lace. And y'all, something always happens, but it comes with a Swiss lace, and it is really cute. But what I am going to do is, if you are not like a middle part person, let's see how this baby looks on a side. I'm going to shift it to my right side because you already know I got to disguise my left side since my earring must have dropped. So I'm going to go ahead. We're going to do it like this. Keep in mind, this is meant to only be a middle part, but who knows? Like, you know what? Wigs don't really come with rules, you know? It comes with what makes you feel comfortable and what you think looks good on you. So don't shy away from a wig because, oh, it says it's a middle part and you feel like you got a big forehead. Look, I got a big forehead. But make it work for you, boo. So we're going to do it as a side part. Alright. And this is how it looks. We got to fluff this up. Because, you know, we got to cover that the earring is missing. Have y'all ever went out with only one earring? Or, like, lost the earring and you had to style your hair so that it wouldn't show because you still had to look kind of cute on the other side of your face? Just me? Stop lying. Y'all know y'all done it. Y'all know y'all did it a couple times. I know I have. But this is how it looks as a side part. Oh, I really like it as a side part because the color, I feel like, pops. It pops more. You appreciate it more. But we're going to leave it at that. I ain't going to talk too much. But y'all let me know how y'all feel about Tiana. Let me know if you already have her. I know she's been out for a little bit. Let me know if you like her, love her. If you don't like it, just be nice. Let me know. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also, make sure you check out this wig. I feel like it's definitely a purchase you should have because we're all closing to the end of summer, so it's kind of time to rack up on those nice, cute, burgundy, full hair slays. All right, y'all. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe because I keep playing with this. Y'all ever notice that when y'all wear like color, you just be like, ooh, ooh, because you just feel like a whole new chick with the color. It just does something to you. So that's where I'm at right now. So let me hurry up and take this wig off, y'all, before I don't act right. So make sure y'all check out my next slay. Also, make sure most importantly, you stay beautiful and support the next sister and my next slay. All right, y'all.